Now, for 2 decades, microfinance banks in Nigeria have continued to advance inclusion and grassroots banking. Yet, microeconomic instability and some recent financial policies remain threats to the operations of these institutions. These were views of operators at the Microfinance at 20 conference holding in Uyo, the Akwa Ibom State capital. Clement Barikio has details.
It is 20 years since microfinance banks began operation in Nigeria, and these industry players are appraising the past while projecting the future. Governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Dr. Olayemi Cardoso, in a message to the conference, is urging operators of microfinance banks to innovate and strengthen governance structure for the overall benefit of Nigerians.
Through the collective efforts of our microfinance banks, millions of Nigerians have been empowered with credits, savings, and other financial services that improve livelihoods and stimulate local economies.
Microfinance banks have helped governments to achieve financial inclusion by extending the financial services to the unserved and economically active poor.
Going down memory lane, President, National Association of Microfinance Banks, Abubakar Ahmad, says it has been 20 years of vision, transformation and resilience, promising that the next 20 years present a more impactful microfinance banking experience for Nigerians. With 817 microfinance banks spread across more than 2,000 branches in the country, assets of 3.45 trillion naira, out of which 2.7 trillion naira is in the agricultural sector, Ahmad notes that microfinance banks are perfectly placed to help push federal government's economic support programs for Nigerians.
We can compete shoulder to shoulder with any commercial bank. So in that regard, yes, we have challenges, but yes, we are thinking ahead to see how we go about the challenges. And yes, we are determined to succeed. And yes, by the grace of God, we are succeeding and we will succeed.
The 3-day conference had in attendance representatives from across various sectors and regulators of microfinance banks. Governor of Akwa Ibom State, was honored as microfinance pillar during the conference.